In this series, Intro to Goal Setting, we're going to talk about the importance of setting goals and ways to reach those goals. You could listen to most successful people talk about how they got where they ended up, and setting goals was a big part of this. Now, something unique with our goal setting here is we actually have an app within inside of the learning management system where you could go in, you could set goals, and you could track those goals. To reach this, just go to the sidebar or the top of the LMS, look for goals, and away we go. What are the value of goals? With goals, you want to make sure that you have something attainable that you could see, that you are constantly striving for. Have big goals, have little goals, have goals that are easy to reach, and have those little goals end up making it possible for you to reach those giant goals. The value of clear goals is whatever you are doing, you could always make sure that you are moving in the right direction. Now, in terms of goal setting, our application is set up like this quite a bit too. You want to have short-term goals and long-term goals. The short-term goals are maybe something like this. I'm going to make X amount of calls today. I'm going to take X amount of demo drives today. I'm going to have X amount of appointments today. A long-term goal could be something like this. I'm going to sell 300 vehicles this year, or I'm going to buy a house. And hopefully these short-term goals are moving you in the direction of the long-term goals. It's all just math. You want to figure out the math that it takes to reach your goal and what you need to do to get there. And in this series, we're going to talk about the math, how to calculate all this up, and we're going to go over our application that lives inside of the LMS in great detail.